What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to demonstrate to you guys the basics of a front end garbage truck. Was the joystick, PTO, arms, forks, tailgate, wall, and top door. Just how they operate, what do they do, and how to hook onto a container, dump the container, bring it right back down. And also, I'll be showing you guys how these trucks unload at transfer stations. Please hit the like and subscribe. It will help out the channel real good. And let's get to this video, guys. We're in the front of the truck. These right here are the forks. This big arm is the arms. Right in front here, oh, I have a piece of aluminum here. Let me get it off. This right here is the hydraulic pump. Now, these forks, they will slide inside this side pockets, ears, whatever you want to call it. That's what these forks, they slide in. And once you hook on, you pick up the container, bring it right back up, dump it on top, and you bring it right back down. All right, this is the access door. In here, what you see there, that's the wall. All the trash lands from on top here down here, and this wall pushes it back. So basically it compacts all that trash to the tail end of the truck. Now we are at the end of the truck. This is basically tailgate. This opens up, and the wall pushes all the trash out this way. All right, once you dump, you move forward a little bit, you close the tailgate down, and you're good to go. All right, guys, as you guys can see, I'm on top of the truck. It's a beautiful Friday. This is basically what is called the top door right here. This piece right here, this slides all the way to the front and closes that gap in there. You do this at the end when you back out, when you're already filled up and you're ready to go to the dump. You do this for safety reasons, because at highway speeds or driving through the neighborhood, wind gets in here and picks up any trash, and you guess it's gonna land behind you and in front of somebody, and it could hurt somebody, and you don't want to do that. Now, this is the joystick. This has 4 functions, which are: left opens up the forks, right closes up the forks, forward brings down the arms, and towards you brings up the arms. Now, this is the PTO panel right here. This turns on the PTO pump. That's the pump right in front of the truck that helps out all the hydraulic system to push, the pistons, and it gives the joystick the air it needs to operate. Now, if that's not on, you guys can see there's no air in it. Okay, this opens and closes the tailgate, opens and closes the top door, lets you know any sensor there is down or any sensor is not working. This brings extract and retracts the wall. It does it automatically, and you got an emergency button right there. Okay, all right, guys, let's start. I'm gonna hook onto the container, and I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys the dumping process. Move forward, you make sure you aim right. You already hooked onto the container. Put your parking brake, put your truck on neutral. Now, you push the joystick towards you. That brings up the arm just a little bit. Okay, you see it's tilted too much towards me. the container. So what you do is you tilt the fork forward a little bit by pressing the joystick to your left, and it will correct the container just enough. All right, now once you do that, you start bringing it up by pushing the joystick towards you. All right, it looks like it's going perfect. You look out the mirror. Okay, container's already up. Now what you do to dump the container, you push the joystick to your right. Make sure you do it lightly, because you don't want to dump that container on top of your truck. So I'm gonna push the joystick to my right, as you guys can see. All right, that's good enough right there. Now the container's already dumped. What I do now is I can't bring it down like that, because I'm gonna mess up the lid on top of the truck. That container's gonna take the whole thing and rip it apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna correct the container on top, back again, straight. I'm gonna push my joystick to my left. All right, that should be good enough. It's straight up. Okay, now I'm gonna push my joystick forward towards my windshield, and that's gonna bring the arms down. Make sure the container is always straight, so you don't mess anything up. Now I made sure that the container came down, straight down. Or you could do it like this. You could tilt the fork just enough. Take the parking brake off, press reverse, and the forks will just slide out of the container. Okay, that's another good way to do it. There's two ways to do it, but you don't want to do that on a container that has wheels, because the container's gonna run away from you. So we made it to the burner. I'm here actually opening the top door. They already assigned me a bay, and I backed into it. And here is the tail end of the truck, the tailgate opening actually. Now the wall is gonna push out all the trash. I'm just making sure here there's no trash protruding from the tail end of the truck, so my tailgate will close completely and I don't damage the tailgate seals. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you could pick up something from it. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.